How to join Temu Influencer Program. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Once you are in this page, in the search bar, search for Temu Influencer Login. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to the very first one, Influencer Program. It will land you on this interface. In this page, you can see the option of Join Our Program. All you want to do is click on it. Then you will have to enter some of the detailed information and then simply log into your Temu account. Once you are logged in, you have to provide your social media account, which can be Instagram, Facebook or YouTube. Once you request authorization for the channel, they will review your application. And based on the engagement and the followers, you will get the result and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can join Temu Influencer Program. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.